Do you want to know how you can sign into your Coinbase account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign into your Coinbase account. Go ahead and open Coinbase on your Chrome or Edge browser. Click on sign in, which you can see on the top right hand corner. After you click on sign in, it will lead you to this official login portal of Coinbase. You can go ahead and sign in using your passkey, Google, Apple, or your wallet, or you can just go ahead and write down your email address, press continue, go ahead and write down your password, press continue again, and then you will be sent a 6-digit code to your email address. Go ahead and check your email, and then what you need to do is write down the code which is sent to your mail. After you write down the code, you can see that it automatically detects it. And now you need to set up a passkey. Go ahead and click get started, press continue. You can see that a code has been sent to the email address which you have answered or the phone number which you have kept. So if you got the code on your phone number, go ahead and copy it and paste it over here. After you paste it, go ahead and click try again, get started, press continue. Go ahead and write down the PIN of your PC and then press OK. So if it's not happening right now, just go ahead and click not now, and then you can log in to your Coinbase account. So you must go ahead and verify your identity by putting in your driver license image, front and back image. So go ahead and upload these images, and then you can start doing your business. This was a video on how you can sign in to Coinbase. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.